Does everything seem plain and boring to you? We know a few easy ways of how to change it. To start, let's fix our constantly tangled wires by making a cute worm out of hot glue. We'll need a small piece of aluminum foil. Apply a layer of greasy cream to the foil. Using a marker, draw a wavy shape to form the outline of our worm. Fill the area inside the shape with hot glue. Once the glue is cured, separate it from the foil. Stick a small magnet on the underside of the worm's head. Stick a second magnet on the top side of the body, near the tail. Using some nail polish, paint 2 dots on the head. These will be the eyes. Paint some green stripes on the body. We've got ourselves a very cute little worm. He can wrap around our wire and gently fix it in place. In this life hack, we'll show you how to make a phone stand that looks like another very cute creature. Draw an elephant on a thick piece of cardboard. Cut out the shape. Draw an ear and an eye with a marker. We'll need 2 of those cardboard elephants. Put the stand together by securing everything with a hot glue gun. Look who came to visit us! It's the elephant! Place the phone on the trunk and roll the movie. The transparent case looks like an icicle. We bet that the phone is feeling pretty cold right now. Let's try and warm it up a bit. We're going to need some plastic straws and a few different colors of yarn. We've got green and pink. Cut the straws the width of your case. Wrap a thick layer of thread around the straws. Glue the straws to the case, alternating the colors. When we cut the straws lengthwise, we get a fluffy mini carpet. Tidy up the edges with some scissors. A warm and cozy new outfit for your smartphone. It'll warm your phone as well as your hands. Is it hard to find the phone charger amongst all those white and dull wires? Let's give it a colorful winding made out of plastic straws. We'll need some drinking straws. The brighter, the better. Cut the straws in pieces of about 3 centimeters each. Cut each piece into a spiral with some sharp nail scissors. Wind the pieces onto the charger wire, alternating between different colors. Done! It'll be much harder to miss this bright viper. What could be more soothing than the dim light of a night lamp? Only light from a night lamp that you've made with your own hands. We'll need an empty can of Pringles chips. Outline some stars of various sizes. Cut them out. Apply a layer of spray paint. Put the phone on the table and turn on the flashlight. Place the can on top of the phone. Look how nicely the light is spreading, creating a calm and relaxing atmosphere. Sweet dreams! In this hack, we'll show you how to hide your phone from your teacher. Get an ordinary notepad. Outline your phone with a pencil. Using a stationery knife, cut out the pages to the right depth to fit your phone. Put the phone in. Now you can easily sneak in your phone and take a peek if the question is too hard. Just don't forget to put it in silent mode. Do you like watching your favorite channel on your phone, but even a cup of tea cannot hold it? We recommend making a phone holder from an old bank card. You'll need a lighter or a candle. Warm up the edge of the card. Bend it approximately 1 centimeter from the edge. Warm up the middle of the card and bend it in the middle. Now you have this nice stand. Your phone can be placed in it comfortably for you to enjoy the new videos. You think a fidget spinner is just a simple toy? Well, think again. Watch what we can do with it. Get a plastic phone case and, with some hot glue, attach a bottle cap to it. Glue the fidget spinner to the cap. Now, you have a comfortable handle so that your phone won't slip out of your hand. And, of course, an anti-stress case. And what do we have here? Look at this cutie and those ears! Do you want one too? Find a sock with a cute print and turn it inside out. Cut off the bottom and top parts. Seal one side with the help of a stapler. Fill it with some grains. Seal the other side with a hot glue gun. Make 2 pom-pom balls using some black threads. Glue them to the sock. The cute sofa with some peas is waiting for its princess. There's a ton of games inside the phone, but there isn't any on the outside. Time to change that! Draw the outline of your phone on a piece of white EVA foam. Cut it out, leaving an opening for the camera. We'll also need a maze map and some colorful strips of EVA foam. Transfer the map onto the white piece of foam. Build a colorful network of tunnels with those strips. Unleash a small ball into the labyrinth of the Minotaur. Glue on the edges. Cover the maze with a plastic film. Seal the perimeter with hot glue. Hide the seals under some colorful squares. Now you have a fun little game to play, even when you're waiting for your battery to charge. Droplets on your screen? That's no good, is it? We'll show you how to protect your screen from moisture. Get a Ziploc bag and cut it to the size of your phone. Using baking paper and a hot hair iron, seal the sides of the bag. Now the phone is in good hands. I mean, in a good bag. Give it a try. It works! Tired of watching videos on a small screen? Let's build a projector. Get an ordinary shoebox and a magnifying glass. Outline the edges of the glass on one of the smaller sides of the box and cut an opening. Glue the magnifying glass to the opening in the box, applying a good amount of glue to the edges. Make a cardboard wall that fits in the box and decorate it with some colorful paper. Attach the phone inside the cardboard wall and place it in the middle of our projector. Turn on your favorite channel. Firmly close the lid and dim the lights in the room. There is some awesome widescreen magic right there on your bedroom wall. The next life hack is for those who love speed. You definitely need a high-end racing wheel if you want to cross the finish line first. Let's make one ourselves. We'll make the support for the wheel first. Fold a piece of cardboard in half and make some holes, about the size of a AA battery. Fold the edges. Glue the support to a cardboard base. Now, let's start making the wheel. Sketch out the wheel on cardboard and make the outline of the phone. Cut it out with a sharp crafting knife. We're going to need 4 pieces like that. In 2 of them, make the same holes as in the support piece. Glue the pieces together. Decorate with some colorful EVA foam circles. Insert the phone. Connect the wheel to the support with some AA batteries. From now on, you're going to be the king of the racing tracks. Hop on the wheel and hit the pedal to the metal. Fingerprints on your screen? It even has a few scratches on it. We've got a life hack for that, too. Apply a small amount of toothpaste to the screen. Rub it in with a light circular motion. Using a soft cloth, wipe off the paste and clean the screen. Now, the phone is so clean, you can use it as a mirror. The power socket is hard to reach, and the phone keeps dangling on the charger cable. Let's do something about it. Make some marking on a plastic bottle. Make some holes with a knife, then cut out the needed shape with scissors. Outline and cut out an opening for the power supply. Pull the charger cable through the bottle neck. It's time to charge our battery. Very convenient. Does your friend have the exact same headphones as you? That won't do. Let's fix that. Apply some cream onto a piece of foil and draw a rectangle on it using hot glue. Cut 2 semicircles out of it. Paint each piece in red. Draw some seeds and a strip of watermelon crust. Glue them on the headphones. Can you hear me? Do you have plugs in your ears? No, those are some juicy watermelons. How could you not love pandas? And when they're done putting your headphones in order, you'll love them even more. Draw or print out 2 cute panda faces. Place them face down on a piece of tape, then cover them with the sticky side. Tidy up the edges. Add some magnetic strips. Solemnly give your headphones to the panda keeper by winding them on the holder. Do you enjoy macro photography but don't have the necessary equipment? Try out our next hack. Of course, we can't turn your smartphone into a microscope, but still, we think you'll enjoy this idea. Cut off the necks from 2 plastic bottles. Attach them together with hot glue. For the lens, we'll need a magnifying glass without the handle. Glue it to the plastic necks we cut off previously, and our macro lens is ready. Attach it to our phone's case and enjoy the high-resolution photos. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Troom Troom Select. Press the bell icon to get notified of our newest release of fun and creative everyday life hacks.